So I've been seeing a lot of Instagram ads for this, the Status Audio Between 3 ANC earphones. And I thought I'd get myself a pair to see what they compare against this, the True Pro, which I think are the best earphones there are so far. So let's do an unboxing and I'll share with you my initial first impressions. So here we are. Let's take a look, shall we? So we have a really nice box, I gotta say. Simple, beautiful audio, little info sheet, shows the two colors. User guide, oh. USB-C, little reset button, power indicator. Very minimalist. There they are. Extra earbud sizes. But these are different. So there is a inner bit and an outer bit to each of the earplugs. That's pretty cool. And lastly, USB-A to USB-C cable. So let's take a look at these. So right off the bat, I gotta say, these look really nice. The case size is not too dissimilar to the Neuro. It's a little bit shorter. They're about the same weight, but this one's obviously taller. So now let's try these on for the first time. But as you can see, they're a lot more square, and when it's charging, it glows red. There should be just enough juice, so let's power them up. Oh wow. Okay, straight off the bat, I gotta say, these fit in really nicely. There's a voice that says searching for devices. Let me just pair it. Okay, initial first impressions. These actually sit very well in my ear. Far better than I was expecting, given it juts out so much. My usual test track is BT's Suddenly from these hostable machines because it has an amazing intro that just covers a wide sonic range. The sound's not bad. So the thing that I'm finding is that the bass, it depends on how you like your sound. There is an oomph to the bass, which I really do like. It's a little bit more diffuse. Like it's a bit of a mushy kind of a bass. And some people actually like that. And I think if you're listening to a lot of hip hop and R&B, it'll probably be better for that. But I actually like a lot of accuracy and detail. And I do believe that the True Pros do a better job of making it punchy, but not mushy, and have it a bit more detail there. The audio profile, this is just the standard one. I haven't installed the app. I haven't played with the EQ. And I don't know, how do you reckon it looks? I think this is one of the ones where part of the reason you get these is for the aesthetics. And I'm actually quite liking this two-tone chrome and brushed white finish. I'm gonna try a couple more tracks. So I was just listening to Alice Glass's Mine. And yeah, I have to say, and a bit of Red Hot Chili Peppers. So if you like guitar and rock music, this will be amazing because the mid-range on this is very clear. So unlike having all parts of the soundstage very detailed, the bass is booming, but a little bit mushy, so it's not as well defined. It's not bad, it's just, if it's for hip hop or electronica, like dancing music, you'll really like this. The mid-range is very sharp and clear. Everything is nicely separated. The top end is not as harsh or as precise as like the Boses and the Trues, but it's pleasant. Like I think for most people, this will be a more ideal initial sound profile than anything else, because it is something, if you're after more accurate headphones, it's not necessarily pleasing unless you're gonna tweak the EQ, but just out of the box, this I think most people will like. So yeah, that's my initial hands-on. I haven't tested the noise cancelling, I haven't tested the battery life, and I haven't tested what I really want to, which is the microphone quality. But that's just initial unboxing and initial impressions of the Between 3 ANC by Status Audio. But yeah, if you'd like to see more of things like that, subscribe and I will do a more in-depth video. Catch you next time.